Hi everyone. Joanna from How to Crypto here. In today's how-to tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy a Ledger Nano S Plus, a hardware wallet perfect for beginners. Click the Ledger link in the description below to get started. We hope you find this video helpful. Now let's begin. To start, scroll down on the Ledger website. You will find two products for sale: the Ledger Nano X and the Ledger Nano S Plus. There is a brief overview of each product, and you can easily compare the two to decide which hardware wallet will be the better fit for you. Feel free to pause the tutorial here for more time to compare the two wallets yourself. In today's video, we will be buying the Ledger Nano S Plus. You can simply add the product to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. Or you can view the product details by clicking View Details. From this page, you can select a preferred Nano S Plus color. The other colors available are BTC Orange, Ice, Deep Sea Blue, and Mystic White. We will be sticking with matte black for today's video. You can select the quantity of product here and add your selection to the cart here. Once you add a product, your cart will pop up to the right. You can review your selections, adding in other recommended products if you prefer, before clicking Checkout at the bottom of the page. Feel free to explore Ledger's website and other available products as well. One of our other favorite products is the Billfodl, highlighted on screen, which stores and protects your 24-word recovery phrase. Ledger also sells hardware wallets in bundles, which make great holiday and birthday gifts. To check out, enter your email into the required field. Enter a discount code if applicable. Check the box if you wish to receive emails from Ledger about products, updates, and industry news. Select if you are buying as an individual or a business. Enter your shipping information into the corresponding fields. And click Continue. Review your shipping address on the next page. Select your shipping method preference. Click Continue. Enter your credit card information on the next page. Ledger also accepts PayPal, Crypto.com Pay, and BitPay. Select if your billing address is the same as your shipping address or if you would like to use a different address. Check the box to agree with the sales terms and conditions, the website terms of use, and the privacy policy. Review everything one last time before clicking Complete Order. You will be sent to an order confirmation page containing your order number and information. You will also be sent an email confirmation. You can review your order there. Ledger's contact information is provided in the email if you have any questions, as well as links to a video to watch to know what to expect when receiving your device and to download the Ledger Live app to be able to set up your device. Ledger will also send you emails to update you on the delivery status of your order. You can unsubscribe from those, but they are helpful to know when you can anticipate the arrival of your product. And that's it. Leave your requests for future tutorials in the comments below.